What if you could harness the boundless power of AI to craft hyper-realistic voices
The emergence of the space tourism industry promises vast economic benefits.
that captivate your audience like never before? Introducing Lovo, the AI voice generator that's poised to redefine the way you engage with your content. Let me walk you through it. First, simply input your desired text prompt. Next, select your preferred voice from an array of options tailored to suit your project's needs. Then, fine-tune the pronunciation to ensure that every word resonates with clarity and precision. Choose the language that best suits your audience, ensuring maximum impact and comprehension. With everything in place, hit the Generate button and voila! Within moments, Lovo will craft a high-quality audio rendition of your text.
The emergence of the space tourism industry promises vast economic benefits.
But wait, there is more. Lovo offers a range of advanced features to take your audio to the next level. Whether you are aiming for a professional tone, a rapid-fire delivery, or a globally appealing accent, the choice is yours. Intrigued? Ready to revolutionize your content creation process? Dive in and see how Lovo can make your content truly unforgettable.
The emergence of the space tourism industry promises vast economic benefits. With companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic leading the charge, this burgeoning sector offers lucrative opportunities in space travel, accommodations, and experiences.
If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.